You can never do enough when it comes to mental health and wellness. What we've learned through the digitalization of our workplaces from COVID is the fact that we're seeing huge numbers in stresses at work. We have burnout, we have stress, we have increased levels of anxiety, depression, fatigue, brain fog. We have now a mobile office at all times in our hand. Is extremely difficult because how do you disconnect? Economic impact, the societal impact that we have with mental health if we do not address it. Now, when we're at these crossroads of great change and bringing our EU together, it's not this generation that will feel the suffer from it. It's going to be the future generations. We're calling for a psychosocial directive, further work on the right to disconnect. You can never do enough best practices, signposting, working on really progressive legislation. So we are creating and becoming the gold standard when it comes to mental health and wellness here in the European Union.